Hi everyone, this is Megan Bunsell, your cancer expert, and I'm the owner and CEO of Cancer Peace University, where it is our goal to set you free from the fear of cancer. In this video, we're going to be talking about a critical superfood that can help support during a diagnosis and help to prevent cancer. In one study looking at spontaneous remission from cancer, 200 cancer patients who went through spontaneous remission, no explanation by the oncologist of why the cancer went into remission, 87% made major changes in their diet. So superfoods are important when there is a cancer diagnosis and to prevent a cancer diagnosis. And the superfood we're going to talk about today is phytoplankton. Phytoplankton is a single-celled microalgae that is found in the ocean. Marine phytoplankton produces 90% of the Earth's oxygen supply, and NASA called marine phytoplankton the most important plant on the Earth, making up 25% of all vegetation and being an important food for marine life and critical to the Earth's atmosphere with supplying oxygen to the Earth's atmosphere. Cancer, it's important to note, is a disease where there are major deficiencies within the body. One of the deficiencies that is found in those diagnosed with cancer is a major deficiency in oxygen. And marine phytoplankton is able to support the body in providing electrons that are around the cell membranes. And these electrons supplied by marine phytoplankton are able to attract and pull in oxygen so that the mitochondria can better use oxygen. Mitochondria need oxygen in order to produce ATP, or your cellular energy. Mitochondria respire oxygen to produce ATP. However, what Dr. Otto Warburg discovered, a German oncologist, Dr. Otto Warburg discovered in the 1940s that cancer cells had damaged mitochondria, missing mitochondria, and abnormal mitochondria. And what Dr. Otto Warburg discovered was that an injury to the cell because of an oxygen depletion in that area of the body would lead the mitochondria to send an epigenetic distress signal to the nucleus, asking the nucleus to morph and change so that the mitochondria can now ferment glucose to produce ATP instead of respiring oxygen. And this leads to abnormal cells and cells becoming immortal fermenters of glucose to produce cellular energy, or ATP. Thus, marine phytoplankton is important in supporting the health of your mitochondria and can help give the cell the oxygen it needs to properly produce ATP and to not have to morph and change to ferment glucose to produce ATP. Some other important components to marine phytoplankton are the following. Marine phytoplankton supplies an antioxidant enzyme called superoxide dismutase, or SOD. Superoxide dismutase has been correlated with longevity. Mice have been found to have a low amount of superoxide dismutase, whereas Galapagos tortoises have been found to have a high amount of SOD, or superoxide dismutase. And marine phytoplankton supplies a large amount of the antioxidant enzyme SOD, or superoxide dismutase, which helps to remove oxidative damage, reduce inflammation, and even help with heavy metal detoxification. Those consuming marine phytoplankton were found to have high levels of CD3 in their bloodstream. High levels of CD3 in the bloodstream is able to show that there's also an increased activity of T lymphocytes, or T cells. And T cells are an important part of your immune system that helps to remove bacteria and viruses. And those diagnosed with cancer tend to have a suppression of the immune system or a state of anergy of the immune system, which means the non-reactivity of the immune system. And marine phytoplankton can help stimulate T lymphocyte activity and can be a good support of the immune system. Also, In National Cancer Institute studies, marine phytoplankton was studied and found to have a cancer-killing effect within the body. Thus, if you want to support your body with a superfood, you can support it using marine phytoplankton and help to increase your immune system and feed your mitochondria the oxygen that they're needing. If you're a holistic practitioner and you're wanting to learn more about cancer prevention, and how to support a client during a cancer diagnosis, enrollment is now open for our March 2019 course that starts on March 26th. If you're wanting to learn more, you can personal message me or email me at cancerpeaceuniversity@gmail.com to set up a 20-minute consult about Cancer Peace University and how you can become an instructor. If you want to enroll in the mini course, enrollment is open for the next mini course starting on April 30th, 2019. This is a 6-week mini course that is a snapshot of the full course. And if you message me about the course and setting up a 20-minute consult, I'll send you a free copy of my book, What is Cancer? I hope that everyone is having a great day, and we'll talk again soon.